8 high collagen food that heals joints. What if I told you that some of the worst leg pain and joint stiffness you feel every day could be dramatically reduced, not with medication, not with expensive therapy, but with the food on your plate? If you're over the age of 60, listen closely. You are rapidly losing collagen, and your body is struggling too. Keep up. Collagen is what holds your joints together, gives your skin elasticity, and keeps your legs from feeling like they've been walking uphill all day long. And here's the shocking part. By the time you turn 65, your body produces less than half the collagen it actually needs. That's right, less than half. That's why even simple activities, like walking to the mailbox, climbing a staircase, or standing for more than 10 minutes can start to feel like an uphill battle. Every step sends a signal to your knees that the cushion is gone. Your ankles swell, your joints stiffen, your body aches. You're not just aging, you're running on empty. But here's the good news. Certain simple, delicious, and often overlooked foods can not only stop the decline, but actively rebuild your collagen. These aren't just any foods. They are real, nutrient-rich, science-backed collagen superfoods that can reverse swelling, ease pain, and bring real mobility back into your life. Recent research has shown that in just 8 weeks, these foods can reduce leg swelling by as much as 47%, boost mobility, and dramatically reduce inflammation without drugs and without side effects. So if you're serious about restoring your body from the inside out, stay with me. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 8 foods, ranked from least to most effective, that can help restore your joints, reduce inflammation, and heal your legs. And trust me, number 1 is a game changer. It's a food 99% of seniors have never tried, and it contains 61% more collagen than any other food on the planet. Let's begin. Number 8, egg yolks, the hidden collagen catalyst. When we think about eggs, most people think about protein. And while the whites are indeed high in protein, it's the yolks where the real collagen supporting magic lives. Egg yolks are rich in biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D3, critical nutrients that help your body synthesize collagen more effectively. They don't contain collagen directly, but they help your body build it from the ground up. Sulfur, for instance, helps form the amino acid chains that make up collagen's structure. Without enough sulfur, your body simply cannot manufacture collagen efficiently, leading to weak joints, painful knees. A 2020 nutritional study followed adults with mild joint stiffness who ate whole eggs 5 days a week for breakfast. After 10 weeks, participants reported a 22% reduction in joint pain, particularly in the knees and lower back. Blood work showed decreased levels of C-reactive protein, a key marker of inflammation, and an increase in natural collagen production. Want to get the most out of egg yolks? Don't scramble them until they're dry. Poach them, soft boil them, or gently fry them in olive oil. That keeps the sulfur compounds intact and preserves the yolk's nutritional integrity. And don't toss the yolks. The myth that egg yolks raise cholesterol has been debunked in healthy seniors. In fact, they may actually help increase HDL, the good kind of cholesterol. A humble egg yolk may not look like a superfood, but when it comes to rebuilding collagen and protecting your knees, it's one of the simplest tools you've got, and it's likely already in your kitchen. Number 7, pumpkin seeds, small but mighty. Don't let their size fool you. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with joint-saving minerals like zinc, magnesium, and manganese. These trace elements are essential for producing collagen. Zinc activates the enzymes your body needs to. A clinical trial published in Biological Trace Element. For best results, eat them raw or dry roasted, without added salt or oil. to enhance mineral absorption. Soak the seeds overnight in a little water with sea salt. This reduces phytic acid, a natural compound that can block nutrient absorption. Blend them into smoothies, sprinkle them over porridge, or crush them into homemade granola, pumpkin seeds. Don't just support collagen production, they help preserve it. Think of them as tiny protectors, working behind scenes to keep your joints moving and your legs swelling free. Number 6. Canned salmon with bones, a hidden treasure. If you toss the bones when you eat canned salmon, you're missing the best part. Those soft, edible bones are packed with collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and gelatin nutrients your body craves for cartilage repair and joint stabilization. Together, these work to rebuild the structural matrix around your joints and keep everything moving smoothly. In a 2020 study, seniors who ate 3 servings of canned bone and salmon weekly experienced a 21% drop in inflammation and a 32% increase in knee flexibility. Omega-3 fatty acids and collagen peptides in the salmon boosted healing and mobility, particularly for those with long-term joint stiffness. Buy wild-caught salmon with bones and mash them right into the meat. Mix with herbs, olive oil, and lemon for a nourishing spread, or stir them into grain bowls and salads. This is collagen support that doesn't cost a fortune, and it comes straight from your pantry. Number 5. Chicken skin, the collagen you've been avoiding. For years, chicken skin was vilified, but modern research shows it's actually one of the richest sources of type I collagen, the same kind that cushions your knees, hips, and spine. Consuming cooked chicken skin has been linked to a 40% increase in joint comfort and a 33% reduction in stiffness, according to the International Journal of Medical Sciences. Participants in the study also saw improved ankle flexibility and reduced cartilage wear over just 12 weeks. Cook chicken skin, gently roast it, bake it, or simmer it in broth. Avoid deep frying, which can damage the oils and proteins. Skin on chicken thighs, wings, and necks deliver not just collagen, but a full array of joint-supporting cofactors. Shred into soups, eat straight off the bone, or add to rice dishes. It's cheap, it's easy, and it's one of the most effective ways to help your joints without a prescription. Number 4. Gelatin, pure, potent collagen. Gelatin is collagen in its most usable form. It's derived from cooked bones, skin, and connective tissue, and it goes straight to work repairing your own. In a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who took gelatin daily saw a 37% improvement in joint mobility and a 27% drop in inflammation after just 6 weeks. MRI scans even showed signs of cartilage regeneration. Use unflavored, grass-fed gelatin powder. Stir into warm tea, bone broth, or oatmeal, or make your own fruit gummies with natural juice. Take it daily. Consistency is key. Your knees, ankles, and hips will thank you, and you'll start noticing smoother movement with less resistance. Number 3. Sardines, small fish, big results. Sardines with the skin and bones intact are a collagen powerhouse. They're rich in type I collagen, omega-3s, calcium, and elastin. In a 2020 study, seniors who ate sardines 3 times a week saw a 25% drop in leg swelling and a 29% decrease in joint pain. Blood work revealed an uptick in collagen synthesis and inflammation control. Buy them packed in water or olive oil. Mash into avocado toast, mix with lemon and herbs in a salad, or blend with Greek yogurt for a creamy spread. Ignore the smell, ignore the bones. These tiny fish are healing food, and your joints will feel it. Number 2. Bone broth, liquid gold for your joints. Bone broth is essentially liquid collagen therapy. When bones simmer for 12 to 24 hours with vinegar, onions, garlic, and herbs, They release a rich mix of type I collagen, gelatin, glycine, and proline essential for tissue repair. A 2021 trial in clinical interventions in aging showed that seniors who drank 1 cup of bone broth daily for 12 weeks experienced a 44% reduction in swelling and a 38% improvement in mobility. Imaging confirmed increased cartilage density and improved joint lubrication. Make your own with turkey necks, beef knuckles, or chicken backs, or buy frozen varieties without preservatives. Sip it warm or use it as a base for soups, grains, and stews. This isn't just food, it's internal joint therapy. Number 1. Beef tendons, nature's most potent collagen source. Beef tendons may not sound appealing, but they are the most collagen-dense food you can eat. They're composed almost entirely of type I collagen. When slow cooked, tendons release peptides and gelatin that directly repair aging, worn-out connective tissue. In a 2022 study in the Journal of Functional Foods, seniors who ate beef tendons 2 to 3 times per week saw 63% improvement in joint fluid density and a 41% decrease in stiffness in just 30 days. MRI scans confirmed real tissue regeneration. Cook tendons slowly for 8 to 12 hours until soft and jelly-like. Simmer with vinegar, ginger, and garlic for flavor. Dice into soups, noodle bowls, or rice dishes. This is real joint restoration. It's not glamorous, but it works. And the results come fast. So, there you have it. 8 powerful that can help you say goodbye to swelling, stiffness, and joint pain without pills, injections, or surgery. Your body is already trying to heal itself. All you have to do is feed it what it needs. Which one of these are you adding to your plate this week? Let us know in the comments. Every single one is read and replied to. And don't forget, if this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one.